left alone to find where she belongs. Her mother's kiss.
You know why she no come and work, you know? I don't know why she don't. Much things we have to do. Much things we have to do. So I can't bother now. I can't bother. With all this virus and everything, people think they don't have to come and work. Everything left for me now. And she knows that she's essential work. I just can't bother. Almost everybody just wants to them yard. Everybody just wants to them yard. The business just start. Business just start bloom now. Just start bloom. And this thing come happen. I can't bother. No. Can't bother. Too much work. Come baby, we'll go inside. I just come. Car is right now. Hello? Oh, I see one. Things not right up here, man. Who that? Roxy, you doing? Hello? Roxy, you doing? And me, RK, your sister. Tanya, yard, where you come here for? Come look for my niece. Come let me in, man. You want to see the baby? Why you never WhatsApp call me? Go on your yard. What you mean go on my yard? Come let me in, man. Hey? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have to send money for me and the baby. No, but you know, I don't have no money at all. I don't have no money. But you always send me money, you know, some of the business just start bloom. I'm a worker girl, she even there. And you always give me money. Alright. Now try to see what I can do. Yeah, now try to see what I can do. Alright, now go send it. People really come people yard in the corona time. They know stuff for Tana them yard. And me and the baby, she want to come give corona to you know. She turn up there. Yeah. Alright. Later. Deep there, all that.
Will Rose send Roxy the money? Will Roxy let RK in? Or will RK go home? Who knows? We may never know.